Shelley, this trial is going to focus on accountability and asking if the proper safety measures were taken.
There's a bunch of guns in the bedroom that I was in just now, too.
It's the first case to be heard under Benny's law, and a lot of eyes will be on it.
And this will be a test to see whether this law has teeth in it.
Particularly on William Brown. In July 2023, he was called to his home in Cuesta after his 14-year-old son allegedly killed another teen, 13-year-old Amber Archuleta.
You have a warrant? There's going to be a warrant. We have detectives on the way. We need you guys to step on out now.
This body camera video showing the moments police arrived to the home. Investigators determining the son used Brown's gun during the shooting. The father soon arrested and charged with negligent use of a gun accessible to a minor.
So accountability is the big issue that I was looking at with respect to this piece of legislation.
The charge came just a few months after the passing of Benny's bill. It looks closely at the responsibility of gun owners, how they're storing their weapons. A big initiative for Democratic Representative Pamela Herndon.
In the state of New Mexico, we take public safety extremely seriously. And one of the things that we do is that we want to make sure that our children are protected.
That's why this week's trial could be challenging for both sides.
The prosecution's job is to convince the jury that this adult, the parent, let an underage person get access to a gun that wasn't locked up, that wasn't secured. So the defense is going to be arguing that the parent did everything they were supposed to do under the law.
Nevertheless, it's going to come down to what the jury really thinks happened on that Friday.
What steps did a child have to take to get access to the gun? And it's going to come down to, how sufficient the parents' efforts were.
And now the trial is expected to last a week at the Taos County Courthouse. In the meantime, the family of Amber Archuleta told me how they're preparing for a very emotional trial. Catch that story tonight at 10. Shelley?